marching forwards. What have they got in mind here? They have to be 10 metres behind the halfway. Let's see if they've got more in mind than just standing shoulder to shoulder, arm in arm. What did the French do? In the end, they just stood and